Huawei has launched the Smart Door Lock X1 Golden Jade Edition in China, with the product now listed on Vmail. The new version features a ceramic textured body with a jade-like finish and includes a 24K gold-plated nameplate. The lock carries a standard price of 19,999 yuan, $2,870, while the introductory price is set at 14,999 yuan, $2,152. Huawei has also introduced a matching decorative lock for dual-door installations, priced at 6,000 yuan, $860. This accessory does not include any smart functions and is intended purely for visual consistency in villa-style entrances. Huawei designed the Golden Jade Edition to resemble traditional Chinese palace dugong architecture. The lock's exterior uses a smooth, ceramic-like coating, and the bottom plate includes space for personalized engraving. Despite its luxurious appearance, the lock retains full functionality as part of Huawei's smart home ecosystem. The lock supports multiple unlocking methods. It offers to unlock the door via face recognition, palm vein recognition, fingerprint recognition, passcodes, physical keys, and the Huawei Smart Life app. The lock also supports visitor passcodes and remote unlocking with dual-factor authentication. The X1 runs on Harmony OS 6.0 and connects via Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.0. It integrates with Harmony OS Connect, allowing interaction with Huawei's smart screen displays, smart speakers, and other connected home devices. The main power source is a built-in 10,000 mAh lithium battery with a rated capacity of 9,500 mAh.